Birmingham has issued a tornado.
Tsunami warning. Repeat, tsunami warning. The tsunami warning remains in effect for the coastal areas of Alaska from Kennedy Entrance, Alaska, which is located 40 miles southwest of Homer to Unamac Pass, Alaska, which is located 80 miles northeast of Alaska. If you are located in this coastal area, move inland to higher ground. Tsunami warnings mean that a tsunami with significant inundation is possible or is already occurring. Tsunamis are a series of waves dangerous many hours after initial arrival time. The first wave may not be the largest. At 12:38 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time on July 16th, an earthquake with preliminary magnitude 7.3 occurred 55 miles south of Sand Point, Alaska. Estimated sites are Sand Point, Alaska, 1:30 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time, July 16th. Cold Bay, Alaska, 2:25 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time, July 16th. Kodiak, Alaska, 2:40 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time, July 16th. The tsunami warning will remain in effect until further notice. Refer to the internet site tsunami.gov for more information.